Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, another episode of Swimming Pool Talk, and I'm here with Pat. Pat, what do I got here?
A mess.
That's right.
Looks it. I don't think that's any of the washables, usables, pliable, or anything. It went through all of your bowls.
That's right, Pat. This has definitely seen better days and deserves its place in the graveyard. Customer thought we'd be able to clean it for him, but this thing is it's not coming back. As you can see, rips, tears, broken straps. If it was just discolored, we could give it a TSP bath, but for the purposes of this customer, replacement was where it's at.
Yeah, I would agree. So that's a Stay Right cartridge filter.
Yes, it is.
So normally, customer comes in, we can either clean it for them, or we could recommend filter blaster if they want to do it at home.
Well, certainly, that's exactly what I did. He brought his new filter and he wants it to last. So we recommended Filter Blaster. And this is a pre-diluted chemical that you're going to spray heavily onto the surface of this filter, allow it to sit for 15, 20 minutes, maybe a little longer if it's, seen some heavy dirt on there, and then go ahead and clean it off.
With the pressure washer?
Oh, big thumbs down on the pressure washer, Pat. Yeah. That's going to embed debris. It could possibly rip some pleats. Not what I want to see on there.
No, I would agree. So we came out with what? Filter flosser?
The filter flosser.
Works pretty well.
Yep.
Garden hose, on, off, and basically sprays in between. Gets all the dirt and debris, out of the pleats, the inside of the pleats where a lot of this stuff gets trapped.
That's right.
So that's a quick and easy way of cleaning your filter, using the filter blaster with a filter flosser.
Yep.
Or a regular garden hose. Regular garden hose definitely works. It just takes a little bit longer, a little bit more time.
That's right.
So this new bad boy, what are you thinking for age? How long does it last a customer?
I'd say on average, probably about 5 years, maybe a little bit longer if he takes care of it.
So 5 to 7 years?
Yep.
So he's all set?
Yep.
This case a little bit tougher because obviously the customer spends between $400 and $600, but we also like to recommend
a second copy of this. I mean, that way they're able to take out the dirty filter, clean it, put the new filter in there, and lose no pool time.
Yeah, I think that's a good recommendation.
Yeah.
Excellent. We think we're good on this one?
I think so. I think this one can go to the great beyond.
I would agree. Good job, Kent. Thanks for your time.